tayo ngayon sa SM Baguio. Bumaba tayo ngayon dito para kumain muna. At ngayon pupunta tayo ng Bocod, Benguet. Kasi merong isang place doon na maganda raw na pwedeng pag-stayan. Yes. So, yun. Ang i-share namin sa inyo is yung family adventure natin. Papunta ng Bocod, Benguet. Tsaka share na rin namin sa inyo yung place doon. So, let's go! Uy, grabe, ganda ng nung falls, oh. Kita mo, dir? Ang ganda ng falls, oh. Nagulot ako sa falls, ang ganda. Yun yung falls, oh. Alam mo din? Ang ganda, oh.
Saan mo hirap?
Saan? Dito pa, sa baba. So, this is the update now sa may rock shed, sa may Camp 6. Ito yung nagkaroon ng landslide at nasira yata. So, papasok pa tayo sa may rock shed. Yan. Oh, ayun. Wala. Dito nangyari yung landslide. Yung bato na yun sa kanan. Ito yung nangyaring damage. Yan. So, passable na. Pwede na. Passable na ang Cannon Road. It's raining. Let's go here to the lion. Let's take picture. Where's the lion? Big lion. Kapag dadaan ka ng Baguio, dapat may picture ka dyan kaso umuulan. No, Adi?
Yeah.
Sayang. So, yung wiper natin bumigay na. Ayan. Medyo mahirap siya mag-wipe. Pili muna tayo dito. Hey guys, you need to see this. So beautiful. Look. Bakit ganito yung daan dito? Wasak yung yung semento, no?
ano to? Lupa to? Hindi nakakatakot po tayo malalaglag. Sige. Okay, go.
Igor? Sa kabila?
Oo. What happened? Wait, what happened, Bella? Bella, what happened? It's not funny.
Woo! Woo! Aya, are you okay? Is it, ano? Are you happy? It's an adventure, no? Yeah. Yeah. Kagabi, hindi natin makita yung daan. So, ito, share namin sa inyo itong daan dito sa may Bocod, Benguet. One way lang siya, tapos rough road. Yan. Tapos ayan, may kasalubong kami. Yan, bigayan talaga dito. So, kailangan mong magbigay pagka mayroong pagkakataon na tumabig. Yan. So, sobrang ganda ng view. Pero, yung daan, baku-baku pa. Rough road. Ito pala yung dinaanan natin kagabi. Nakakatakot pala dito. Ito. Yan. Oh. Bangin na yan. Oo. Yan. Sobrang lalim. Pero buti gabi, di namin nakita. Share lang namin yung daan para mas ma-visualize nyo yung daan. Saan po ang parking, ate?
Dito na.
Ah, dito? Pwede na dito, te?
Para mas malapit. Okay na dito, sir.
Okay.
Tapos,
Okay na to?
lalakad pa kayo pa, babae.
Ah, o sige. Halika. Check natin. Okay. So, yun na. Nakarating na tayo dito. So, sinet up na namin to si Ate Addison. Nag-iihaw. Hi, Ate Addison.
Hi.
What's that?
I'm cooking liampo.
Wow. So, yan yung pang ating dinner. Mamaya. So, yun. May na dito. Bonfire. Para napakalamig kasi dito. Tapos yung mga ilaw na yan. 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 Nilagyan na natin yan. Para maliwanag. Tapos punta naman tayo doon. Hi Kuya. Hi Kuya Alden. How are you? So, ito yung slab house sa Bocod, Benguet. Pasok mo, may CR. So, ito yung shower. Ito yung number 2. Tapos, merong dito, mga upuan. So, bukas siguro maganda rito. Gabi na kasi kami nakarating. Ayan. Sa labas, di na makita. Yan sila. So, dito naman, pasok mo sa loob, may kitchen. Yan si Mami, nagluluto rin ng liempo. Favorite ng liempo. Tapos, this one is chicken or aya. Ito naman is tuna. So, gagawa kasi tayo ng sinuglaw mamaya. This is the rice. Pinugulo na siya. So, busy lahat. Ayan, yung mga lulutuin natin bukas kung vlog yan. Tapos yung kalan, provided na nila yan, pati yung ito, yung mga likuan na yan. Provided na nila yan. Pati ito nga no? Itong kung sa kanila na rin ito, yung likuan na to. Yung butane, hindi na nga namin na gamit kung sa amin, meron kaming dala. Tapos, ito naman merong, ayan, tent. So, sa tent na yan, sa loob ng tent na yan, merong foam, blanket, tsaka pillows. So, meron ding chimney. Ayan. Kung gusto nyong magpainit. So, ayun si Aya. Hi, Aya. How are you?
I'm cold.
You're cold? Super cold?
Yeah, because I didn't go to the fire.
You cannot go to the fire. Yes, that's dangerous, no?
Because it's the wall.
Mm-hmm. Yes. We just stay there,
The
huh?
fire is making me warm though.
Just, we will just call you when we will eat, ha? Okay?
So much more.
Okay, the marshmallow. Oh, yun. Mga marshmallow. What?
And I want chicken.
And chicken. Okay, mommy's cooking your chicken. Wait for it. So, yun. Bali, dalawang floor to. Okay, tayo sa taas. Ayan. Daming, maraming pwedeng i-accommodate tong slab house. So, okay. Second floor. Oh, dami rin tent pala dito. Oh. Yan. So, may mga foam na rin siya sa loob. Yan. So, hindi na siguro nila nilagyan ng beddings to kasi lang naman kami, 5 lang naman kami. Kaya, ito may beddings din. Oh. So, kaya ano ba meron dito sa labas? Ito ano ba ito? So, hindi na natin gagalawin yan kasi sa baba lang naman tayo mag-i-stay. So, yun. Share lang namin yung dito sa Bukod Benguet slab house. So yun lang, tutulong lang muna ako dito sa kanila prepare. Yan na, kain na tayo. Ready na ang food natin. Ngayong gabi. Chicken, yan po. Sinuglaw, rice. Is it yummy, Aya? Who cooked that? Wow! Do you like mommy's cooking? Wow! Oh, you finished that na? Kain tayo.
That and
Bite na, bite.
Places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh.
Good morning. So, ito na yung Bukod Benguet slab house. So, dito kami breakfast. Yan. So, napakalamig dito. Sobrang ginaw. Tapos mahangin pa. Yung hangin din sobrang lamig. Hi. How are you? Ito na yung breakfast natin.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Super cool.
Meron tayong tuyo, tsaka daing, fried rice, plain rice, sunny side up, egg, yung dempo, yung kagabi.
Uy, bago yan.
bago
That's
ba yan?
new kasi
Bago?
we didn't even cook it last night.
Ito naman yung maalat na itlog at kamatis with sibuyas.
And the
So, let's fight. Let's fight. How was your sleep, guys?
Sarap.
Sarap?
Lamig.
Sige. Malamig? Maginaw? Hindi kayo nahirapan matulog?
Oh. Ginawa, sarap.
Hmm?
Ayaw, kain na.
Ano, straight bang sleep nyo?
Yes.
No,
No. Why?
I woke up because of you.
Sobrang
What?
ginawa lang air.
I woke up because of you.
You woke up?
Because of you.
Why?
Because of me? Why?
You were snoring again.
Oh.
Loud?
Like that.
Super loud.
It's because I drive the whole day. Hindi ba naman kayo? That's an exception. Ayan, kain na tayo. Ay, yun pala yun si Aya, nandun, nagduduyan. Hi! How are you?
Where's the other one?
What?
Where's the
There's another one?
Yeah.
Where? Is it relaxing there? Huh?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, you sleep?
It's morning.
Hmm.
What's the morning?
It's okay.
What?
Mm-hmm.
It's still cold there.
Still cold, ano?
Yeah. I want to be inside the center.
Inside the tent. Okay.
I just want to scream.
Later you will sleep again. You just relax here, okay? Okay? You want to eat?
Yeah.
Oh, let's eat na, come on. There's your chicken. So yun, breakfast lang, tapos lang dito, mag-explore lang sa sa property na to. Maluwag kasi siya. Pag dito ka kasi sa may bahay, yung nasa taas, tapos ito rin, wala kayong kasama. Kayo lang, walang makikishare sa inyo dito sa place na to. So napakalaki niya, tsaka napaka-peaceful dito. Ang sarap sa feeling, ang lamig, tapos ang tahimik. Mari-relax ka talaga. Sarap ng hangin. Yes. It's what is the time? Siguro nasa anong oras na ba? Nasa 9 AM. So walang araw, makulimlim lang. So nako-cover tayo ng parang mga ulap. Yan. So yun yung tuntun isa. May meron kang view ng bundok dito. Ayan. So yun, kain muna tayo, tapos tignan natin itong place na to.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep in the abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Aalis na kami ngayon dito sa may Bocod, Benguet, Slab House. O, recommended to sa pamilya para makapagpahinga rin kayo at huminga. Kung gusto niyo huminga, close sa nature. Good vibes dito.
Even if our stay was like 1 day lang, it was very cozy there. And even if it
Yeah.
was like a bahay kubo, I enjoyed it a lot.
Mhm.
Yeah, and like it's so cold. It's so cold here. I can't. It's like parang the
There's a
weather here
bonfire.
is like it's not unbelievable, but yeah, maybe it's because it's raining. That's why. I know, and then the bonfire is really fun. Just like I really was the there's so many feels, but we got it right.
Mhm. Yun. Hindi madaling puntahan to. Parang kasing rough road, one way. Pero pagdating nyo dito, super worth it. So, yun. Kita-kita tayo sa next vlog. Thank you for watching, guys.
Thank you.
Hiya.
Thank you for watching.
See you on the next vlog. Bye.